Hello guys, I hope everyone is okay. Today I'm going to review budget phone. I just bought it around £100 from online and with 2 year warranty, brand new Motorola G35 and it's 5G, 128 GB of ROM, 4 GB of RAM, 50 megapixel of quad dual camera with flash and 16 megapixel of front camera, leaf green. So I'm going to review as well, unboxing hardware, software. So please keep watching guys. So let's see what is inside the box guys and is worthable or not. So I'm going to unboxing now. Leaf green color and also the free casing, silicone rubber case are covered with Motorola G35. That's good thing. Color is amazing and it's leather finish, flashy leather finish. Two cameras, bump camera and a Motorola logo. It look like a leather finish. Motorola logo. On right hand side guys, power button is also fingerprint scanner and a volume rocker. Left hand side, SIM tray, dual SIM, eSIM and nano SIM, headphone jack, charging port and speakers. So let's see what else in the box. I think charger is not available, just charging cable, C-type cable, booklets, SIM tool, nothing else. So now I'm going to power on guys. Let's power on. So software and let's see, 4 GB of RAM working okay. I think everything is working okay, going smooth. 6.72 full HD plus display and a stereo speaker, Dolby sound, 50 megapixel of quad pixel camera plus ultra wide and a 5G, I think cheapest 5G phone in UK, just for £100 5G phone and also working okay, everything works smoothly. Android 14, RAM 4 plus 4 boost up, bit down if you need phone for gaming, vlogging. It's cheap budget phone, just okay for normal or new user, or it's amazing, but it's still budget phone. Display viewing angle is not really good like expensive phones and gaming also, just 4 GB of RAM. If you like to play big games, it's not for you. Camera wise still okay, but it's not good for vlogging or something, but daily life capturing okay. So if you playing something like this type of game is okay, easily you can play, but it's not made for a big gamer or something. Just 4 GB of RAM. Viewing angle is not really good, but it's still you can see color wise is okay. For me it's alright because I'm playing very less games and I'm playing something like this, small games, so work okay for me. So let's see the cameras guys. Now I'm going to review the cameras. So camera wise, you can record video up to 4K, but 4K is not work if your zooming mode is 0.5. So I will show you. I'm going to turn on 4K, but it's 0.5, so 4K is not on. So your camera or screen should be on 1.0 up to 1.0 zooming mode, then you are able to on 4K. So 4K is on now and HDR as well on. It's okay, camera recording around 4K video, night mode as well, document scanners, and selfie camera, 16 megapixel of selfie camera. So I'm going to add some videos and picture as well guys, with selfie camera and also back white camera. It look clear and crispy, but color is little bit faint because it's just budget phone guys. It's not like a expensive phone or something, but it's still working okay for me. So I'm going to add some videos and clips from front camera and back camera. This is camera test of Motorola G35 selfie camera. So recording okay, color wise is okay, just because it's 16 megapixel camera guys. I'm going to play some videos from my channel, so let's see the viewing angle.
यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ तो मैंने सोचा चलें इसका व्लॉग ही बना लेते हैं। तो ये शॉर्क में वुड साइड है यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ, ये यूनिवर्सिटी रोड है जी। मौसम आज बहुत प्यारा है यॉर्क में, तो मैंने सोचा चले व्लॉग ही बना लेते हैं। ये बड़ा खूबसूरत सा इलाका, तो देखें यहाँ पे सारे फूल खिले हुए हैं। यूके वुड साइड पे भी जाता हूँ, आपको वुड साइड दिखाता हूँ। नीचे एक छोटा सा पॉकेट एरिया है, बिल्कुल यॉर्क यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ है। ये इंतहाई खूबसूरत एरिया है, तो मैंने सोचा चलें आपको भी नज़ारा कराते हैं इस प्यारे से एरिया का। और ये वॉक करने
You can record slow-mo as well and night mode as well. I hope you enjoy the Motorola G35 review, unboxing and software hardware review, camera review. So please subscribe my channel for more cheap and budget phones and watches, some reviews for great stuff which one I bought for myself. So please thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more nice videos guys, reviews, recipes and vlogs. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Please take care and have a lovely evening. Take care, bye.